Hi guys, this is Faisal. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can highlight your mouse pointer. So for that, we need to download and install couple of software so that we are going to see today. So let's start. So first of all, we need to come to browser and search with AutoHotkey and hit enter. And you will see this website autohotkey.com. You have to click here, and this is the first software that we are going to download. So to download it, just go down and you will see the option called download. So just click here, and once you click, you will see there are two options we have, like version 2.0 and version 1.1. So we need to download version 2.0. So just click here and the downloading will start. So this software is downloaded. This is simple, like 2-3 MB.exe file, so that you need to install first. So we have already downloaded it, so we'll just click here and this will ask for install. So just click here in the install and the installation will start. So this is the first software which we need to install. So currently the software is installing, and this is the dialog window that you can minimize or close it. Now we will proceed for next software that we need to download it from this website. So this website URL I will give in the description box. You can click and get this software from that URL. So this is Cursor Highlighter version 2.2. So that we are going to download it from here. So you have to scroll down and you will see there is a link called download the .ahk script. So you have to just click here and it will route it to drive page. Here you have to click on download, and as soon as you click, the downloading will start. So this is also a simple around 2-3 MB software that you need to run. So as it is downloaded, now we need to install this software. So for installation, you need to click it here in this file, and it will ask one pop-up window that you need to click on yes, and as soon as you click on yes, the installation will be started. You have to wait for a few minutes for this step. Now you go to file and click it, and as soon as you click, the script will running start, and here you see the highlighter option now is coming. So this highlighter, now we need to customize it. So for customization, you have to go to down and you will see this so hidden icon. Just click here and you see this cursor highlighter. So just click here and you see here we have a multiple option like switch to cursor focus. This is the focus mode. If you want to focus anything, any text or an image, that you can do. Same again, you have to go to the next option. This is highlighter. This is mouse highlighter. And the third option we have here is setting. Go to the setting, and here the list of option that you can customize your highlighter or focus. So for that, first is color highlight. The second we have is picture file, where there will be one picture that you can this is the by default. If you want, you can customize it also. And this is the focus, the third option. So as per your use, you can select any of these option. The second we have, when cursor highlight is launched, it should highlight or not, that option you can select. So all this option for now I am just leaving it. Now go to highlight setting. Here you can set the width of and height of your highlighter. So how many width you want and height you want, and opacity also. So there is 3 modification here you can do, like you can set your width, height and opacity. So here we are giving 50-50 width and height, and opacity I am giving around 150. So opacity is basically how dark or how light your highlighter will be. So as per your use, you can set this value of opacity, how dark or how light you want. Now coming to next, this is highlight color. So if you want to change the color of highlighter, you can do that also. That is by default it is yellow. If you want red, blue, whatever you want, you can select. Now coming to next option is highlight left click. So left click action is nothing like, if in your mouse, if you click left, the what color you want to change, that you can customize it. If you don't want, you can just select do nothing when you left click. And here also you can adjust the width, height and the opacity value. So this is the simple thing which this option is. Now we'll move to next option, highlight right click. This is also the same. If you do right click, what color it should appear when you click right in your mouse, and color customization also you can do what color you would like. that you can do. Now next option is picture setting, where you can change your cursor. Like if you don't want to see cursor, if you want to see a pen instead of cursor, you can upload that image and you can change it. This option is focus setting, where you can the focus width how it should be, that you can customize here. Just you have to go to select the focus and how much this focus should be, that you can customize what will be the width of this focus point, what will be the height, and how much opacity value you would like to set, that you can customize here. So this is the focus setting that you can do here. And here also you have option called to choose highlight color, so that you can do here. Now we'll again go to general, we'll change to color highlight, and the last option we have here is hotkeys. So click here. This is nothing, this is simple a keyboard shortcut, like how you would like to launch this cursor highlighter when you would like to use it. So you can give the option like alt control shift windows key, and whatever key you would like you can set according to your preference. So here we are going to select as alt and 1 for toggle cursor highlighter, and we'll select alt plus 2 for switch to highlight mode. Now we have two more options called switch to picture mode and switch to cursor focus. So for this also I will select alt for picture, switch to picture mode. So we'll select alt and 3 I will give for this option, and for switch to cursor focus alt plus 4. So all these 4 we have selected. Now we need to save it all 4. So just click on save button here and just do done. Now our shortcut is ready. Now we will check it is working properly or not. So I will click alt plus 1 and you see the highlighter is toggling. So the first key is working. Now we will check for another like focus mode. I will try. So that was for alt plus 3, and you see the focus is also working properly, like means our shortcut key is properly working, which we have selected just now. So I will show you one more thing here. Just I will open notepad and let it be open, and you see this highlighter is working for all the cursor. Like here it is showing for arrow key also, so it will work for both the cursor. Now I will show in OBS Studio also it is working properly. If in your case it is not working, you have to just click on the source and just select the capture cursor here. You have to just select it. So as soon as you click, it will start working. So here you see as soon as I am selecting, it is starting working. So that simple setting you have to change if it's not working for your case. So this was the simplest tutorial to download and install Cursor Highlighter. If you have any question, you can comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. I hope this simple tutorial helps you. Then please do like, share and subscribe to Backbencher Engineer.